Of the subject.
One, two, three, go. Good day to each and everyone. My name is Asif Rengiela Bart.
I am Chester Luba.
I am Jerome Teres Pelago.
I'm John Repetition.
I'm Achille Egever III.
I am Reynald Embelista.
We are one of the groups in ME-2B on the subject Computer Fundamentals and Programming, and our title for our program is
Café Players Management System.
That is all. Thank you and God bless.
So good morning, everyone. We are. I am here to program our application for the Python application in which entitled Player Trackers System. So first is that we create view file and save it as the title, which is player.py player.py and then create another new file in which entitled as also as player.json. The first line of code will be import JSON, in which import JSON will process and um, transport our file into JSON format. First, the second line of code will be the function add data, in which we type define add data sorry about that. Define add data to add the data function. In this, we have a variable number for the ID, and input it as the string interplayer ID. Interplayer ID. And another variable will be the name of the player, in which the string will be interplayer name. Another one is the game, or the game's genre. So enter game's genre. So our main goal of it is that we can make a study and analysis so that we can improve the internet cafes players preference, and also to collect data. So the last one will be address of the player. for the string and input it as string interplayers address. Players ID, or the variable number, variable no, comma, and the player's name will be declared as it will so station variable name, comma, for the string games genre, games genre. Declare as variable game, and the last one will be the player's address. So after that we call out the file player.json. So to call out the file player.json database, we input this code. So with open the name of the JSON file will be player.json, or so as get data, to get the data from the player.json, and data will be get data. Data as data number will be declared. With this code of line, we declare the JSON will save the will save the data from the player.python file, or the encoded information about the players. So that we continue the code. JSON the data save. And if the so all of the requirements will be fulfilled, or the the CMD will pop up the successfully added string in which the to indicate that the code was successful and efficient. So another command in which to view data, we create another function view data. So view data, close and open parenthesis. Let's open player.json for as view to view data. To declare again and to load the JSON to view the data from the player.json file. JSON.load view. For m in data.items, in which the items will be the assigned ID, and to declare and view the data, we must declare and view the data items in integer. Or integer, or the ID given by player.json. After that, the for x and items. Print x and print the n in string format. String Enclose it as, for this code, we'll enclose it as the data function again. Okay. We'll try it on and still same the command prompt, so let's try the code. We create new function in which it will be delete data. Equals input. Enter player ID. Let's get data again. Data is equals to JSON.load. Get data. If menu, if now in data, delete. JSON.dump. Data delete. If the code is correct and the required information will be given, the function delete data will print the string successfully deleted. Okay, successfully deleted. For the fourth function, it will be to update the data. So update data, close and open parenthesis. Declare the number again. In input. Input the player ID. Player that get data. Number of data. Player's name. The variable game will again declare input. The new string will be the new game's sorry. It will be general. Sorry. General. Yes. This string will be deleted with players methods. Declare again. Player's address. Yes. And if the declare new information about the player will be encoded to player.json, it will the CMD or the command prompt will print the string successfully updated. It's just like if else method. Function. Or the compilation of all the functions given, functions created, in which the functions add data, view data, delete data, update data will be displayed at the main interface of the command prompt. Print and one. The data the data the data and 4 will be update data. And 5 will be exit. So to declare that as a option method or some sort of choices of the user, we use the method else if method. So enter is equals to integer. So integer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the option. Input, enter choice. Okay, enter choice. If enter is equals to 1, a data function will be declared. Okay, is equals to the option 2 for the view data. The view data function will be viewed, will be declared. Okay, view data function. Okay, if it is equals to 3, which the number 3 declared as the delete data function. So delete data function, delete data. Again, the function. And if the indicated choice will not equal to 1, 2, or 3 choices, it will exit the number 5. Number 5 option will be declared. The program will print the string. What string? It will be thank you and come again. Okay. Thank you. Must not forget to close it with the main so feel free to screenshot our codes. It is our pleasure to help you, and this will be the all of the codes to program our internet cafes management system. Thank you, and we proceed to the results of the test of our program. So here is the continuation of our video. It will be the execution of our application or the program that we created for, in which entitled um, Cafe's management layer structure. So to connect to the Python file, we must first type serial desktop, in which the file was located at the desktop. So serial desktop, and then to the file folder name, which will be Café, and Python file, which will be there. So here is the interface of our program, Python program. So the first choice that we try to execute will be the first option, in which the number one. So to add data, so enter player ID 2356. Player name will be my name, which will be, so my game's genre. So for example will be MOBA, and player's address. So successfully added. So to confirm that it is successfully added, we try to choose the number two option, which will be the view data. So input 2. So it goes, the player's ID will that I inputted lately is the 2356. My name is General Visual, Game Genre MOBA, player's address from Metropolitan Ormoc City. And for the third choice or third options, which will be delete data. So enter choice number 3. So the player ID is the same as I inputted in the add data, so it will be 2356. So the successfully deleted was popped out. So to confirm that it is deleted, we must view data again. So option number 2. As you can see, there is no more data in here. No more data in the Python JSON. And to proceed to the fourth option, we must add data again so that we can update data. So number 1, add data, player ID, new player ID 2678. Enter player name, which will be Mr. Huba. Mr. Huba. Action RPG. Yes, I guess it is. So the fourth option, we must apply the given new data, which will be the player's ID to 675, and to update that, we must choose the number 4 options, which will be update data. So enter number 4, player ID 2675, new player name, which will be Jerome Pierago, for example. New game genre will be MOBA again. Player's address will be Mexico. So successfully added, successfully updated. To view the data and to confirm that it is successfully updated, we choose again the number 2 option, which will be the view data. So enter choice number 2. So as you can see, the player ID 2675 in which the past player's name is Chester Huba, and after updating it changed to player name Jerome Payalago, the game's general MOBA, and the player's address Barangay Mabini, Mabuk City. So the last option will be exit or exit the application. We must try it. So number 5 or the exit. So the interface will pop out thank you and come again. So that pop up ups all of our application and thank you.